Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas, finishing up a 2021 Model 3 with the Stealth, XPEL Stealth film and the XPEL XR Plus window film, 70 on the windshield and 30 all the way around on this 3. And that looks pretty darn nice. So here we go. Let's take a walk around this real quick and look at the Stealth. Again, paying attention to all these edges, getting them all wrapped in, all these doors, all our A-pillars coming in, all around here, coming around our mirrors, again around those A-pillars, wrapping them in over here. When you do the Stealth, it's we try to get everything we can wrapped. There are some areas that we can't get all the film in on both sides. You know, this is one of the areas. It's very, we got it wrapped around on the fender, but we can't get that bumper end in there. It's gonna just peel up on you as these two panels move independently. Coming around over here, removing the logo, so we don't have any gloss showing through there. And coming around the side, much more of the same. Wrapping under our wheel wells, wrapping from the fender into the door and the door into the fender. And that's pretty much the same as everything all over. But there it is, a black Stealth 3. It's a performance model. Obviously the rockers get done as well. Looking fantastic. So any questions, you can get a hold of us at clearbrownorthdallas.com or at 214-414-3809 extension 1 or 0. And appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.